Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on the 14th of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has ranked Meta as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.0. Now, let's review the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of approximately 19.37% since we initially recommended purchasing Meta 22 days ago. This equates to an average return of about 0.88% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the recent developments, we cannot definitively predict the stock's next direction, as it has the potential to move in either direction. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $737.53 would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 24.74% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 9.71% and 24.89%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 38.29% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 5.29% and 30.12%. This translates to a price range of $775.65 to $958.58 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline: Meta stock price ended at $736.67 on Friday, after gaining 1.11%. The Meta stock price gained 1.11% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, rising from $728.56 to $736.67. It has now gained for 10 consecutive days. It is not common for stocks to achieve such a streak, and it is reasonable to expect a pullback or two. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.10%, with a low of $725.62 and a high of $740.89. The price has risen in each of the last 10 days and has increased by 6.89% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator, with a total of 4 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 17 million shares were exchanged for approximately $12.4 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $740.89, while the lowest price was $414.50. Currently, the price is 0.57%, or $4.22, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is experiencing a historical moment, having achieved a remarkable 20-day winning streak, marking it as the longest for any company in the Nasdaq 100 since 1990. This unprecedented momentum reflects strong investor confidence in the stock, which is likely to boost its price in the short term. Additionally, Meta's strategic move into humanoid robotics signals a significant shift in its business model. By launching a new division focused on AI-powered humanoid robots, Meta is positioning itself to capitalize on the burgeoning robotics and automation market. This initiative not only diversifies its offerings but also aligns with current trends in artificial intelligence, potentially driving long-term growth. Analysts have noted the shift in perception regarding Meta's valuation within the tech sector. Once seen as a cheaper option among its peers, it is now viewed as a leader in innovation and investment potential. While some analysts recommend looking at other stocks for higher upside, the attention on Meta's ongoing developments could sustain or even enhance its stock price trajectory. Ultimately, these factors suggest that Meta is not only in a strong position today, but also poised for substantial opportunities in the future, marking it as a standout player in the evolving landscape of technology. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, Benchmark rated Meta as buy with an upgrade recommendation. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, Bernstein assigned Meta an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, Barclays rated Meta as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, Pivotal Research assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at $722.11 and $650.91. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14th, 2025, and the stock has since increased by 23.97%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 51 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 134 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 127 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $687.60 and $659.88. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $687.60. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $659.88 and $585.25. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $15.27 between its high and low, or 2.1%. Over the last week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 1.79%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered relatively normal, frequently observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts are projecting consensus estimate $5.61. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $687. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of February 2025, Newstead Jennifer executed an insider sale of 902 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of February 2025, Zuckerberg Mark executed an insider sale of 19,668 shares of Class B common stock. On the same day, Zuckerberg Mark also conducted an insider purchase of 19,668 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 12th of February, Zuckerberg Mark executed an insider sale of 200 shares of Class A common stock. He also sold 400 shares of Class A common stock on the same day. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 35.916. Overall, insiders purchased 155,263 shares and sold 330,377 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $699.53, reflecting a decrease of 5.04%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 22 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors might consider maintaining or gradually increasing their positions while awaiting further developments. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 18th of February, we anticipate Meta to open lower by $2.28, beginning at a price of $734.39. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.